Here's another porta potty out here on the opposite end of where this other one was. All these homes seem to be sold. I'm going to give this one a review as well. Same subdivision. Looks a little cleaner on the outside. Ready light. Rita light. Kind of sitting sideways here. Got a stake here holding it down, keep it from falling over, it looks like. It's going to be kind of leaning a bit. Let's go in on this one. Another ready light. Now this one's a lot cleaner than the last one. A ready light in here. And we got some great graffiti, looks like. Urinal's a mess, but otherwise looks a little cleaner than the last one I looked at. This one has the 2 rolls here. And can't really tell the last clean date. I see December in here, but kind of hard to say if it's been cleaned recently. More graffiti. Handle here. Let me get out of here. Very nice home got over here. This one actually, beside it leaning so much, not too bad. Give it a mediocre.